Hello everyone, my name is Noor Sabah. As a leader of Science Department at Diaco Educational Compound, I'm proud to share how our department works to motivate students and make learning more meaningful. In our vision, science is not only about reading book, but it's including questioning, discovering, and experimenting. Our teachers using different methods to match a student learning style that include demonstration, project-based learning, and group activities as well. So these methods help students to become curious inside the lessons and remember longer. So the best part in our program in science department is using the laboratory and using the equipment to create a curious student and learner. So our goals is to build a confident and curious learner that enjoys science and apply it in everyday life. Thank you.
Diaco Educational Compound.